Hey guys, TJ here from Double Gamers. Today I'll be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers. Let's begin. Okay. You need to download Lucky Patcher to do this hack. Once you get Lucky Patcher, once you're in guys, go to Subway Surfers. Open menu of patches. Create modified APK file. APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. Rebuild the app. This may take a while, guys. Okay, guys, once this screen pops up, click Go to File, Subway Surf, Uninstall and Install. Uninstall, and then install. I'll be right back when this is done, guys. Okay, guys, once that's done, click Open. And wait till this is all done, guys. Once your game's loaded, just tap to play to do the tutorial, guys. This shouldn't take too long, guys. Just the basic moves. Okay, once you're here, this guy. Okay, so you're there. Tap to continue. Okay. Now it may seem that nothing worked. Go into shop. Go into store. You pick whatever you want, guys. So I'll just go for the keys. And you get that. All for free. From this hack. Yeah, okay, if this screen pops up, guys, click auto repeat purchases with the current settings. And there you go, guys. That is how you hack Subway Surf. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button and subscribe. Peace out.